திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை's 36th statement, இருமாலை ஈந்தேனோ தொண்டரடி பொடியாழ்வாரை போலே. She refers Tondaradi Pudiyalvar, who was one of 12 Alvars. Tondaradi Pudiyalvar was known as Vipranarayanan. He was born in Tirumandangudi and he was incarnation of Vanamala of Lord Vishnu. He concentrated only on doing service to God right from his young days, and he did not like the world affairs, and he started visiting the temples and he came to Srirangam and he was very much attracted by the beauty of Sri Ranganatha, so he decided to settle there. He developed a beautiful garden in Srirangam and he started making garland from his garden, from the flowers which were growing in his garden, and offer the garland every day to Lord Ranganatha. This is how he was spending his days. He was very deeply engrossed in his regular duties to the Lord. One day, Devadevi, a beautiful lady who was supposed to be a Devakannikai, one who was devoted to God, she was walking through his garden with her maids. She spent some time there and she admired the beauty of the garden. She appreciated the maintenance of the garden and she looked at Vipranarayanan too, and she told her maids, I want to spend some time here. Then one of the maids said, no, Vipranarayan does not talk to anyone. His attention is only towards Lord Ranganatha. And Devadevi said, no, I will get his attention. I'll see that I'll get his attention towards me. Then she presented herself very normal girl, that is a poor girl, and she appeared before Vipranarayana and told him that she wanted to help him in maintaining the garden. And she also said that was an order by Lord Ranganatha. Vipranarayan could not say no, so he accepted and she stayed there for some time. On one rainy day, both of them had a chance to be with more proximity, and Vipranarayanan got his attention diverted towards Devadevi. Devadevi was waiting for this opportunity, and that happened. Vipranarayan forgot himself, he forgot the other world, and as days passed he lost his wealth, and one day Devadevi also left him, and Vipranarayanan could not bear the absence of Devadevi, so he went to her house and sat in front of her house and asked her to accept him, but she refused. Tayar had a conversation with Perumal. Tayar wanted Perumal to help him. So Perumal said, yes, I will do. Then Perumal sent someone as a servant of Vipranarayanan to Devadevi's house and gave her a gold bowl. She accepted it, and she came to know that it was sent by Vipranarayanan. The next day, the priest came to the temple and he found the golden bowl was missing. Then immediately he called all the authorities and told them about this. And at that time, one of the maids of Devadevi was there, and she told him that the golden bowl was with Devadevi and it was presented to her by Vipranarayanan. Then the priest conveyed this to king. Then king heard about all this and put Vipranarayanan in the prison. And Vipranarayanan did not know anything. And Tayar again asked Perumal to help Vipranarayanan. He was doing service to you. Why are you doing this? Why don't you help him? Why don't you make him come out of this? Perumal agreed. Perumal appeared in king's dream and he told the king that Vipranarayanan was innocent. He had to suffer this karma because of his past deeds. So release him and let him continue to do his service to me. The king released him and told him the whole thing of what happened. Vipranarayanan brooded over the past, what all happened in his previous days, previous life, and he wanted to get out of that. He wanted to do some parigaram, prayachittam for that. So he decided that he would henceforth wash the feet of holy men and purify himself as a mark that his salvation was solely effected by means of virtues contained in the dust of holy men's feet. He gave himself the title Tondar Adipodi, that is dust under the feet of holy men. So later Vipranarayanan came to be known as Tondar Adipodi Alvar, and he started traveling to many places, that is visited many temples, and he scripted highly devotional 45 verses called as Thirumalai. Thus Tondar Adipodi Alvar had God realization and continued his services ever in the path of divinity. Devadevi also understood this and donated whatever she had to the cause of the temple and noble services. The glory of God's holy name enabled him to attain more heights, and he also rendered Tirupalli Ezhuchi, waking of the Lord, hymns to awaken the God, and Thirumalai, the best garland. Tirupalli Ezhuchi and Thirumalai were the two greatest of his offerings. Tirukkolur Pen Pillai refers these two as Iru Malai Indeno Tondaradi Pudi Alvare Pole. So one garland, one mala is a garland of flowers. The other one, it is garland of verses, what he, Tondaradi Pudi Alvar, offered to God, Tirupalli Ezhuchi and Thirumalai. And she told Ramanujar, I didn't have that much of love, that much of knowledge and devotion. Why should I be here?